and welcome to Khmer Phonics. We have 3 more consonants to learn, 3 more vowels to learn. The first consonant we're going to learn is the letter Nyo. The letter Nyo, you can see here it has the loop on top. Later we're going to learn one that looks very similar, but the thing to look for is the bottom here, and also it has the 3 lines there. This would be pronounced Nye. So this is the Nyo, like what you hear in the word onion. It's a little bit difficult to make it a beginning sound, so just practice that to make sure you can do that. I do apologize for the shadow because these things are laminated, so there's a little bit of a shadow on them. The next one in our stack would be, and I apologize once again, this font puts the O, the letter O up here, so it actually needs to be written underneath. And just to explain, whenever whenever vowels are called, they're called by their aw names. So I would say this is the vowel O, even though in this case it makes the oo sound. Just like English, we still call it the letter A, even though it says a or a. So this is called by its aw name. This is the vowel O, but this would be read new. This one, new. I'll read it. You can say it after me, and then we'll say it together to confirm. New. Once again, you can see that the font put the oo up there in the wrong spot. Nye. And once again, the oo is in the wrong spot. The o. Newt. And this one. Nye. Your I is added there. I'm making it say nye. The next consonant we have is the pair to the letter ta. It makes an English T sound, so ta. This one would be T. One thing to notice with a toe here, this letter toe, is that it's very similar to paw in that it has the loop. So toe and paw both have the loop. However, paw has the different hair. And let me just real quick grab one of those with a different hair on that. Right here, paw would have this type of hair at the top. So instead of the hair like ga, it has the hair like this. Remember, paw and toe have the loop. Joe, the one I just showed you, has the same hair as paw, but it does not have the loop. So those 3 are extremely close. You just have to remember which is which. Toe has hair like ga, and it has the loop. This is tia, English letter T sound. This one, tu. Next, tia. Tu. Tour. Te. Tu. And tu. All right, the last consonant we're going to learn for today is the pair of thaw, like tha, or we've talked a lot about that th sound where your tongue is behind your top teeth. To. This is the letter to. So thaw. We remember that one from before, from the aw sounds, and this is to. Still makes that th sound. This would be read tu. 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 Tư. Tư. Tu. Tu. Tia. Tia. This is the word for duck. Tia. 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 Now, if you probably noticed, they sound exactly the same. However, tia is spelled with a instead of they call this one the ia tom, the big ia. All right, as you can see, it's a lot bigger. But anyway, both makes the same sound, but spelling does make a difference. And then they, this one is last because this one you probably have heard a lot or will hear a lot. It's your negative or no, they, they. Sok sập bài tế, it can be used in a question. Mun ai tế, you've used it a lot probably already. Or just the plain if you ask a question and you just say they. Okay, or ate. No. So this one you'll want to make sure that you know. You will use it a lot. All right, that being said, now we have 3 different vowels that we want to learn. The first one we learned when we learned the ah vowels as being a, like the letter A, but cut very short, a. And we did not do very much with this letter. It is not normally used without an ending sound. And when the ending sound comes on it, an ending consonant, it changes the vowel sound a little bit. So we didn't spend a lot of time on it. But we do want to go through and at least so you can recognize it, have it in your book so you know what it is. You will see this quite often with another ending sound, but the pure vowel sound says E. So basically it's an E, a long E in English, cut short, E. This one has no loop. So this one is Jo, G, G. All right, let me get my stack set up here. These are all E. The consonant changes. Chi, chi, ki, ki, ni, 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 ni. Not easy to say. Ti, ti. All right, this one has a loop, but it has hair like ga. Ti, ti, ni, ni. And I don't know how that one got in there, but that one is tu, tu. Okay. Ki, ki. And lastly, ri, ri. All right, now if you look at the next vowel that we're going to be doing, you'll see that it just has the extension on it. And this is your long E sound, but cut short, E. This is just a regular English long E sound, E, E. So E, E. They're related to each other. Okay, what consonant is this? Jo, so this is G, G. Right? Like the English letter G. Next, ni, ni, chi, chi, ki, ki, ni, ni, gi, gi, ti, ti, ni, ni, ti, ti, and right here you have ri, ri. I wanted to keep the thi here because I want to explain how this is used. This would be used if I were to say, for instance, first, second, third. In Khmer, all you have to do is say the word thi and then the number. So for instance, if there was a race and you got second place, you would say thi bi. If you were the 5th child, you could say thi pram, thi pram. You would say gon, gon thi pram, to say that you were the 5th child. So that is how we use the word thi. It's also used as a place marker, like no, the, ni, or something like that. We'll get to that more later. All right. The next vowel you'll get to, you'll see that they're very similar. It's the same as this one, except for, of course, it doesn't have the A and it doesn't have the leg on it. But the sounds are very similar. This is like you're going to say ooh, but your mouth is not rounded. Your mouth is very closed. and it's more in the back of your throat. Ooh, ooh. This is this is ooh. This is the beginning sound of this vowel, so it should make it very easy to remember if you remember that these two are related. This word you will use a lot in the future. Goo, goo. Nu, nu. New, new. And if you could see me making these sounds, I have to pull my mouth back, new, to close my mouth. So don't think that it's not going to feel strange. It's going to feel strange. Your mouth is doing something that you never did as a kid. So it is strange. New. Ru, ru. Now this word you've already heard some, I'm sure. Ru te, ru. You could even say sok sok bai, ru te. It means or in this case. Or if you were to ask somebody if they want this one or that one, you could say mui this one, ru, mui or that one. Something like that. Ru would be or. So you'll hear that word a lot. Ngu, ngu. Have fun saying that one. Tu, tu. Ku, ku. Tu, tu. Tu. This word means sick. You could say knyom tu. You could say knyom tu dai. My arm hurts. Knyom tu kbal. My head hurts. I have a headache. Knyom tu mot. My mouth is sore. Something like that. So tu, or you simply say I'm sick. Knyom tu. I'm not feeling well. Okay. Last one. Du. Du. All right. So we learned 3 new consonants, 3 new vowels, and just for encouragement's sake, here's your stack that we went through today. It's going fast, so try to keep up with them. Try to review as much as possible. Remember what sound those letters make, and I hope you enjoy phonics. See you again next time. Next time we're going to be going over some of the aw sounds again, reviewing those and adding ending sounds to those. Goodbye. Have a great day.